Refer to this video as your video manual. Some important things to know are to always power down your Boozelator when plugging in or unplugging any cables and flipping any switches. Immediately make a single backup of your SD or CF card on your computer. This can be from any of your machines and is used just in case you ever need the files to load onto a new card. Fuel cell sensors are meant to be used. If you do not place your machines right away, you should blow into them at least once or twice a month to keep them hydrated. Notice the protective film that peels right off the front of the machine. To plug in your power cable, find the square hole in the back of the Boozelator and plug it into the silver power module. The Boozelator comes with straws just to get you started as our free gift to you. You will also find a Boozelator mounting template inside the straw bin. Follow the instructions on the template, and we recommend using a level just to make sure that your machine is nice and straight on the wall. It is important to load your straws nice and even to ensure that the straw dispenser does not jam. The Wi-Fi upgrade, you will notice the small antenna used as a Wi-Fi extender. The Boozelator's power button is located on the microcomputer timer. It is labeled as Auto/Manual. It is the far bottom left button. Notice when you click that button, you want the LED readout to go to On or to Auto. You will also notice that the work button turns green when the machine has power. Notice how clicking the button will move the cursor to On, Auto, or Off. To set the clock, press and hold the clock button while clicking the appropriate hour and minute buttons until you reach your desired time. To set the timer, click the timer button once. You will notice that the on screen will say 1 on the left side. Now choose the appropriate hours and minute that you want the machine to turn on. Note that the machine is in military time. For this example, we will set it to 11 a.m. To set the machine to turn off, you want to click the timer button one more time and you will notice it says 1 off. Now click the appropriate time you wish the machine to turn off. When finished, click the clock button to return to the home screen of the timer. The timer must be set to auto for it to be activated. We recommend checking with the location to see what time they would like the machine powered down. This is so their employees can use the machine after hours. For more advanced time settings, notice the week button will allow you to set it for different times during the week. The upgraded bill stacker, simply slide the little switch at the bottom and slide the cartridge down to remove it. You will notice you can open it to retrieve cash like this. For the standard bill acceptor, use a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screws here one revolution, leaving them in place so you can remove the cash bin and reinstall it as you please. Here is a reminder to power down the Boozelator when unplugging or plugging in any cards. Here is the LCD monitor removable door, and this is where you will find your CF or SD card. Wi-Fi and remote monitoring system machines will have an SD card, while the standard Boozelator will have a CF card. The remote control's infrared sensors on the Boozelator machine are actually inside the LCD monitor, so you want to aim the remote control inside the monitor to change any settings. Note that the remote control is really only used for volume control. The Boozelator can be set anywhere from $1 to $5 per test. Locate the main PCB underneath the LCD monitor. Locate the switches labeled coin, which can also be used for dollars. Find the appropriate dollar amount and follow the grid to set it properly. The switches on the right are used for calibration. When in normal use, all these switches should be in the down position. To learn how to calibrate, watch the separate calibration video. Notice there's a free play button dangling off the side of your circuit board. This can be used to bypass the dollar bill or coin acceptor for at-home use or for product demonstrations. Here is the non-resettable cash or coin counter. Here you will see the platinum fuel cell sensor module. You can easily remove it with a Phillips screwdriver by removing the 2 screws, and then there's a finger screw on the bottom right. And furthermore, there is 1 plug to the circuit board. This white remote is used to control the LED breathalyzer sign on the front of the machine. Here is the sensor for the remote. Simply aim the remote inside of the machine and choose your desired color or animation schemes. Here is your free per-use USB charging port. There is always power to this port, even when the Boozelator is off.